Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome once again to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We go live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Of course, we're not here on Friday, Martin Luther King Day, but we are here today, tomorrow and Friday, and then back, of course, on Tuesday. Welcome everyone to the live show. Click subscribe and ring the bell if it's your very first time here. That would be awesome. And of course, give us a great big thumbs up. All right, let's get straight into the live trades. We've got a lot going on this afternoon. Here is the position, as you can see. We've had a good hour. Just dropped off a little bit in the last few minutes, but the day has been amazing, up 1.24, straight line. Look at that, absolutely great. Let's get straight into the trading charts. And right now, here we go. Things are looking great. It's a good day to be in the markets today. Absolutely wonderful. Everything is going exactly the way we planned it. We've sold our position in Lucid for now. We'd like to re-enter it. We're looking for an opportunity to get back in. Mike is here. Mike is the very first one here, one of our bronze members. Let's bring him straight into the chat. Lovely to have you here, Mike. Thanks for being here. Welcome. These are our bronze members. Let me bring them right in, right off the bat. Mike, you're very quick off the gate today. Lovely stuff. Welcome to the show. So, where are we going to go this afternoon? It's going to be very exciting. It could be a big afternoon. Let's see where we end up. Subscribe and ring the bell if you've just joined us. Thank you very much for being here. Mike, it's lovely to have you here. And of course, give us a great big thumbs up, and we appreciate that if you do. The bell goes in just 55 minutes from now. So we are expecting a bit of a bounce on the way up. Now, I said to you today that SPCE would go up, and it did. 0.5% today because we had the flight of Virgin Orbital, and it drew some attention. So we got from a lost position to a positive today. It's been quite a good day. Very happy with that. We've traded it a couple of times today. So let's have a look right now. Our positions on SPCE are 12.20, 100 shares at 12.20. We got as high as 12.54. Might sell 100 shares in a minute. We'll have a little look. 12.20. I bought it around here. What does that give me? If I do 20, 12.20, that's 20 cents a share. That's $20, isn't it, in my book? 20, yeah, I think that is. Of course it is. 20 cents times 100 is at $20. I could take that profit now and watch it fall again, because it could very well do that. We're in a market at the moment. We just want to make profits all the time. Little bits here and there is all good. Queen of Self-Braiding, welcome to you. Thanks for being here. How are you? So I bought in here at 12.20, and we've risen. Where are we going now? We're going to drop back a little bit, or we're going to peak up a little bit more. I'm going to wait. $20 isn't much really for that, so I'm going to leave it just for a little while longer, I think. Let's see how we go. Lovely to have you here, Queen. Just falling slightly now. I am good now. I'm all right. I'm much better today. Things are going better again. The studio, I mean. I'm not so bothered about the trading positions, because I know we're going to be okay with that. I'm just glad to see that things are working again, because I've had a few days where I've had a few issues, but it's good to see everything working again. So I'm happy that everything's working. That's mainly what I'm happy about. But the shares being up is also great. Of course it is. All right. So we've got another position as well. We got Rivian. What about the Tesla stock? What are you, or are you going to wait? Tesla. Right now, I've made some money. Yep. No, I'm not going to sell that yet. Because there's a price target of 1,500, and I think we're not far away from a stock split. So I'm anticipating this running for a while. I'm up 5%, which is great, but I could take one off the top, but I'm not going to. Not just yet, anyway. I think there's a little way to go there before we take some more profits. Talking about Tesla, we've got some interesting news today I wanted to share with you. We'll do it shortly. This is a bit about Tesla. We'll cover it in a minute. Rivian, it's popping up. Not got where I need it to get yet before I do anything more there. What about SPCE? It's just falling back a bit. If it gets to 1260, 1270, I think I might just sell those 100 shares. But we'll keep our eye on it, and I don't mind being in it. It's going to pop up anyway. It's not. It just gives me buying power. That's all. And Hood is down again today. We've lost a lot of money with Hood, but we've made up a lot though. I mean, it was if we go back, we were down here. So we've where are we? 14.89. We have picked up just down 456 now. So we've picked that up quite a bit. Done many trades on that to get some cash out of that. So and all the time lowering our averages. So that's not bad. Don't mind that at all. Peloton is just trading sideways all day. PayPal is not doing too bad. Immersion is down 1% today. What about on not too bad, but plus 5.3. Rolls-Royce is up 117. Boeing is up. Boeing is up 0.46 today. Let's bring in our silver members. Let me bring in those now. There we go. Apple is up 0.15 today. I bought some more there now. I'm up 7% on Apple. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. That's one of those stocks I think I'm going to keep for a while now, because I think we've got some great news coming down the line. But also, remember, with Apple, you get a decent dividend as well. So I'll have a good, decent dividend payout on that. So, yeah, I'm happy with that as well. Let me just make a slight tweak there. Let me just adjust this slightly. There we go. Is that better? That's probably better. Okay. Just made a slight tweak there to something. All right. Ethereum today has been rising all day. Yeah, we got big news coming from Bitcoin. I bought $1,000 this morning of Bitcoin. Right. I could take some money out of Bitcoin now, because it's now 15% of my portfolio. Let's have a look. Let's bring in our gold members now. There we go. Let's look at this. This morning, I bought $2,000, beg your pardon, $2,000 at 42. At 42,648. So I've gained 1,000 there. So let's have a look. 42. That's just down, and we're now up. So I've made 2% today, 2.5%. Let's do a little calculation. See what I've made there. See if that's worth selling that out there. $2,000 times 2.5%. $50. I've made $50 a day on Bitcoin. Now I know Bitcoin's going to go up, but I could take out $2,000, put in my buying power. It's not a bad thing. Always get another little drop, do it again, trim it back a little bit. I mean, I've got 15%. It's not bad, but I think as I don't, if there was something I wanted to invest in, I think I would. But right now I don't. There's nothing for me to invest in, so I'm going to leave it a little while longer. Queen of Self Braiding. Are you still holding DWAC? Should we have a look at DWAC? I made my money on it once. I've not returned to it. I made my money on it the first time it blew up. Let's have a look. DWAC today is up 5%. If we scout out, it's been climbing all week, 33% all week. This is Donald Trump's Truth network, which is going to pop up soon, and I sold it. Yeah, this is a very, very speculative thing. This will pop up and down all over the place. I bought in it here when it first IPO'd, made money on it several times, and I think it will drop and then it will soar and it will be all over the place. So I'm not looking to buy in that now. I know it's going to go up. But I know it's going to drop as well. And it'll be one of those stocks that will get halted. I bet you any money you like. If it holds 65 by the end of the day, it's on for 100 on the 21st. I'm not sure. Me and Julius Caesar, we look at things slightly different. I'm not so sure when a chart says if it an average, if it holds this, it's going to do this. I don't see that. I don't see that. I see it more of the charts reflect people's emotions. The charts aren't the stocks themselves. The charts don't tell us what's going to happen. The charts tell us what people are already doing and how they're feeling. And I think people are going to react on the day of this. It's going to pop up. It's going to drop. It's going to be halted. It's going to be very, very risky. So for me, I doubled my money on the IPO day. I think I doubled it twice. But which means, of course, a lot of people were left holding the bag. For me, I think I will touch it when it dumps, because it will. I'm telling you that it will dump, and I'll buy in, and I'll be out in a second. It'll be one of those things I'll trade probably 2 or 3 times within a minute. That's how I'm going to play that. But right now, it's still rising, but I'm not going to touch it yet. That's just me. Hi Martin, how are you, Paddy? Julia sees it's lovely to have you here today, and I'm so glad that everything's going much, much smoother today. No idea why. We don't know what happened. There's a few glitches behind the scenes on the system. I don't know what it was, but I'm glad to see that we are much, much smoother today. That's what Julia Caesar says. If it holds 65 by the end of the day, it's on for 100 on the 21st. Yeah. I think on the 21st, I'll be buying it in as it goes up and down and up and down. It'll keep doing it a couple of times. After the second time, I'll be done. It won't do it a third time, because the Donald Trump supporters who are really, really pro, they're not investors. There are some investors, but there are some Donald Trump supporters who just want to make a protest, just want to make that they're upset about the election, all that kind of stuff. So what they will want to do is, pump it up. And it will go up and down like a yo-yo. That's my prediction. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? I'm holding BBIG and I need to empty. Cool. This is the breaking news at EV. EV stock Lucid. This EV stock has a better 6-month return than Tesla, Ford, Nvidia, and Apple. Lucid, I made 20% on it. I sold it last night, and then I bought in other stocks. And I'm glad I did, because everything is going exactly the way I wanted it to. Mark Corn, good evening, everyone. The disappointment has arrived. What's disappointing, Mark? Mark became a silver member today, and when he did, of course, he got his YouTube channel on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and there it is. And have we got you some subscribers today, Mark? 969. Yep, he's going to be at 1,000. I'm going to get Mark Corn to 1,000 subscribers by the end of within 7 days. There's Mark's YouTube channel. Everyone subscribe to it. I want to get Mark up to 1,000 subscribers. He became a silver member, which means we promote him on our channel, which means we support him, and I want to get into 1,000 subscribers so he can monetize his channel and make money from his investment of being a silver member. That's the idea. Yeah, appreciate the new subscribers, mate. You're welcome. You're welcome, mate. It's what we do here. All right? Okay, let's get him up to 1,000. So we'll check back in a minute and see if that's gone up. All right, there is his link. I'll put it there again. But you can get it from the homepage of my YouTube channel. Just go there and have a look. Right, Tesla is up now. 1113. I'm up 5.5%. I'm not going to sell it yet. Rivian is doing well, still pumping. I'm not going to sell that yet. Rivian, have I got a position there? 83.92. Oh, I have 83.92. Now, I want to give a big shout out to Caden Youngquist, which is why we do the 24/7 chat for the members. I was working in the studio, and Caden Youngquist noticed the news about Rivian being given an upgraded price of $150. He gave me that information. He dropped it into the live chat in the 24/7 show, and it was right around here. And he announced it. I bought in, and now I'm up here. So because of Caden Youngquist, I've made some money this afternoon. That's the purpose and the power of that 24-hour stream. People can notice things, and I have that running all the time and watch what everyone is saying. Always having that running. It's brilliant. Let's have a look. I'm still holding Rivian. Yeah, I'm holding it now. I'm in DWAC to make a profit. I'll be buying as many BYDD shares as possible with any profits. Nice one, Julia. Julia, where are you from again? Remind me where you're from. We don't have your badge on the screen, so I don't know it. I always forget. Yeah, that's brilliant. Rivian 150. And it's the power of the 24-hour feed. Why that is so important, because people pop in stuff there all the time that you might miss. So we're very thankful for Caden Youngquist. I hope he comes in, because I want to thank him for that. That is really popping up right now, Rivian. Very good. SPCE is just dropped back, but it might move up again. I'm looking at a sale of a Virgin, because I think we're going to go down again before we go up. We haven't got the news yet. They're going to fly. It's another month or two away, so it might start getting some information by the end of this month. But right now we've got 12.20. So I've made $20. I'd like to get it to 12.50, 12.60. I'm from the UK southwest. That's right. Is it Bristol, isn't it? Didn't I tell you I'm from Cornwall? I'm near Truro in Cornwall, just down the road from Virgin Galactic's spaceport, by the way, which is now being built. But my studio is here in Texas. That's where I am right now. Let's have a look at Gores Guggenheim. It's up today. Lucid just down a little bit. We're waiting for another little dip, and then I'll buy back in again. And I'll probably take the profits from Bitcoin, which could come tonight. I've made $20 profit on it. I might sell that soon, and then we'll catch another little dip before it lifts off. And if it lifts off in the meantime, I don't mind. I've still got 15% in there, so I don't really mind. 5 minutes, Tom. Remember yesterday? I'm only 5 minutes away from Julia when I'm in the UK and in the southwest. I'm only 5 minutes away. Do you remember that? That was a lot of fun, wasn't it, yesterday? We were giving him a hard time. We didn't mean to, did we? It was fun, though, wasn't it? It was fun. All right, we're now up to over 47,000 now. This is great. We're getting back where we need to be. Hi, Mark. Mark's here. Mark Corn is here. And has everyone just subscribed to him? Shall we have a quick look? Where was it? It was 969. 969. Did we get any more? Did we get him to 970? Just 30 to go. 969. Want to get him to 1,000 subscribers by the end, within 7 days. That's my aim. That's my aim. That's what I want to do. So there you go. There's Mark's YouTube channel in the chat. Okay. So we're looking at now. Not bad at all. 47.17. We're getting a bit of a pump now. Just 31 to go, Mark. Yeah, we want to get you there. And then you can start earning money. Once you get 1,000, well, you need 4,000 watch hours as well. I don't know what your watch hours are. Only you know that. You have your analytics. You can look at that. And then you can get the ads pop up and you can start making some money. It's not very much at first. It depends what your views are, of course, and your demographic and who watches your videos. But as a gold member, I offer 1 hours a month Zoom one-on-one calls, breaking down your channel, helping you, telling you about all the analytics and the tags and the descriptions and the thumbnails, helping you promote your channel. Oh, look at Rivian pumping up now, 87.20. Caden Youngquest, you did me a very good turn this morning. I can't wait for him to come in. I want to thank him. He's made me some money there. What was it? 87 Rivian, 83.92. Ooh, yes, 83. So 84, 85, $3. Yeah, I've made $30 now. I haven't honestly checked, but I am a music artist, so I already, I earn already from all my tracks. Do you make any money on your music YouTube channel? I don't make any money. I mean, I'm a monetized. The Martyn Lucas music channel is a monetized music channel. I don't know if you've listened to it at all or tuned in. I don't make any money at all because all my music is copyrighted, and I earn money for everybody else, but it doesn't make me any money at all. Like pennies. The only things I get is the super chat, stuff like that, and there's no membership on the music channel either. Only membership on this channel. So how do you earn then from all your tracks? How do you earn money on YouTube? Do you have a record label attached to it? No. No, I don't. How does that work? Is that your original material? Are you talking about covers or original material? If it's original material, then yes, of course you'll earn money on ads once you get it. But right now you're saying you're earning money. You're earning money already. How are you earning money on YouTube if you're not monetized? Just tell me. I'd love to know. How are you finding a way to earn money? Is it people downloading the tracks? Because I tend to find that doesn't make me any money either. That's the difference. I have a third-party label. How do you make money then on YouTube from music if you're not monetized? I don't know, because I've got Spotify and Amazon and I don't earn any money from. It's like nothing. It's like 1 cent every 1,000. It's pointless. The only way to earn money on YouTube is ad revenue, sponsorship, affiliation, stuff like that. I don't know how you're making money. I'd love to know, because if you can tell me, I will press the button or do whatever you're doing. I don't know a way of doing that. I'd love to be able to learn from you, so please tell me. Virgin Galactic is starting to pop up again. We're looking to sell that now if we can. If I can get Virgin Galactic up to where is it? 12.20. It's made me 20. It's made me. I've got 100, so it's made me $20. 12.20. Yeah, it's made me $20. It's made me $24 at the moment. I don't mind selling it, but I think we've got a little way to go. We'll wait and see. We've got just 35 minutes left to go. If you've just arrived and you've just come on in, let me invite you to subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. That would be awesome. How many people got watching right now? Just 9 likes. A bit quiet this afternoon. And if you hit subscribe, that's what happens. If you become a member, that's what happens. If you do a super chat, that's what happens. I like that. I only discovered that last week, and it's kind of cool. I do like it, and I'm very happy now we don't have all this buffering going on. We seem to have stabilised again. And there's no way of knowing what it was. No one can tell me what was causing the issues. But anyway. Robinhood is falling again. Palantir is just picking up slightly. PayPal trading sideways. Immersion just up slightly on trading sideways. Rolls-Royce doing what it always does. Boeing up 0.54. Apple is up 0.19. Ethereum is trading sideways now. Bitcoin trading sideways. Where's that going to go next? Should I sell my $2,000 and watch it fall back down to 41 again and do it again? What do you think? Or are we about to go up from here? We shall see. Yeah, we are very quiet today. This is one of the quietest streams. Let me just check. Yeah. Everything's working. Just wanted to make sure everything's on, everything's good. TuneCore sends straight to YouTube, and then you request your channel as a music channel on TuneCore. TuneCore sends straight to YouTube. And then you request your channel as a music channel in TuneCore, then boom, you're earning. How are you earning? I would love to know, Mark, how you're earning money. TuneCore sends straight to YouTube. Okay, so you've got your music with a distributor, right, on TuneCore. When people go there, they hear YouTube, and and you request your channels on music, yeah, my channel, I am an official artist. If you look at my my channel, look, Martyn Lucas, look, I've got the little artist. I am a verified. I am the official Martyn Lucas. See that? Look, my little music thing there. I've got my official music thing. I've got 5,000 subscribers, but I don't earn any money at all from that. And so I'd love to talk to you because I don't really understand what you're telling me. And then boom, you're earning. How do you earn? How do you earn money from TuneCore? Yep, and they collect your revenue. What revenue? What revenue is there? Where's that revenue coming from? Are people paying to be members of TuneCore and listening to you? And how do you make money from singing other songs? I don't see how that works. I'd love to know. I mean, I live and breathe YouTube like 12 hours a day for the last 4 years. So if I've missed a trick there, I want to learn from you because I don't know how where the revenue comes from. Who pays TuneCore for, and what do they pay for? To send you to YouTube? I don't see how that would. I can't work that out. TuneCore. Do people pay to be members of your TuneCore account? And then when they watch you on YouTube, but I don't see how you'd get any money because you wouldn't be allowed to earn any money. If you were singing Elton John, for example, Elton John gets the money for it, you don't. I don't see... I will send you a message, but the revenue comes from YouTube. The revenue comes from YouTube. That's fascinating. How big's your channel? Let's have a look. I know you're just under 1,000 subscribers. Let's have a look. I'm looking at your views. I like how you keep all your thumbnails the same. That's a very good idea. You're branding your channel. Very, very good idea. You remind me of Beluga with the way you're doing your channel. Beluga's got millions of subscribers. It's a very effective way of doing a channel. But yeah, I'd love to know how you earn money. You've had some videos have done well, haven't they? 39,000. There's a few that have done well. There's some ones with a few views, and there's some with a reasonable amount. So congratulations to you. But anyway. Love to know how you're earning money on that. Okie dokie. So yeah, send me a message and we're going to have a conversation. And as you can see, some of them are covers too. Yeah. Right. Let's go back to Tesla. We're looking at maybe trimming one off the top. Maybe one off the top. Maybe. I don't know. Not yet anyway. We'll see what happens. Rivian, no, I'm not going to trim anything off there. But SPCE, certainly, if we can get it up to 260, I think we'll sell 100 shares. But right now, I'm gonna leave it. There's not much in that. We'll see. And certainly, Bitcoin. I'm looking to take anything off the top. What I'll do with Bitcoin is watch it throughout the night and then have some money for the morning. That's probably what I'll end up doing. I wouldn't be surprised if during the night I'll sell my 2,000 for around the 45 mark. That could happen. And that will give me something like $50 plus my $2,000 back. So $2,050 that I've got in buying power for the morning dips. That might happen. All right, we're coming up now to 28 minutes before the bell goes. I can't believe how quiet it is today. I think this is the quietest stream we've ever had. It's nice to have a bit of a break. But anyway, I think what we'll do now is we'll just run a quick ad. Don't forget, you can always skip the ads. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. All right, so we're just watching the position right now. We're on 46.9. We're very close to 47 again. Alicia, hi Julia, Mark and Queen. Love to see you. Alicia, lovely to have you here. Ladies, you said you've received the t-shirts with your names on and the logo. Send me in a picture. Dave scared everyone. Yeah, he did. He might see this. He knows I'm joking. Yeah, if he watches back later on, he'll go, Mark Corn was giving me a hard time. And I bloody subscribed to his YouTube channel. I can't believe it. I subscribed to his YouTube channel. And what did he do? He went and he talked bad about me. That's what he might say that. Don't forget, guys, on Friday, it's cash giveaway on Friday, remember? I always give some money away on Friday. And I'm hoping one day, as the channel gets bigger, that I can make it really exciting and give you $1,000. I mean, I'd love to do that. I would love to do that. Obviously, I've got to make some money to be able to do that. But if you keep watching and following and becoming members, that's exactly what I will do. Apple will release a limited edition of Studio Beats February the 1st in celebration of the new lunar year. That's a bit of good news. Apple will release a limited edition of Studio Beats February the 1st in celebration of the new lunar year. Thanks, Julia, for that. All good stuff coming to Apple. Yes, indeed, we received them. I'm very happy and excited for this. Thank you so much, Martin. Great. You're having dinner now. Now make sure you get a really nice picture, because I want some beautiful ladies on the channel in their merchandise. People would love to see that. It'd be absolutely brilliant. I want to share that with everybody. So if you can, get someone to take a picture of you, so you get a nice shot, or do one of each other, whatever you like, that would be absolutely brilliant. So thank you very much for doing that. All right. You're having dinner right now. What you're having for dinner? Is it that pasta you were talking about? Wasn't moussaka? What was it you were talking about this morning? Not ravioli. There was some other Italian dish. I can't remember what it was now. Right, Rivian is popping up again. Good. Sideways Virgin Galactic with just 25 minutes to go. Let's have a look. I wanted to show you. Let's fix that a minute. There we go. Make a slight adjustment on that one. I wanted to show you. This is quite exciting. It's exciting for me, and it might be exciting for you if you are a I don't know, I guess a true fan. I don't know, but look on TikTok. Look, yesterday I went through 10,000 followers, and all of a sudden it's going up like 100, like 200 today. It's going up faster and faster all the time. That's absolutely amazing, right? Getting a really good audience there now. One of my videos has done over 250,000 views now on TikTok. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, there it is. Thank you very much for following me on TikTok. And now look, they get. I've given them a better image. See that? Look, it doesn't look very good from what you're seeing, but they used to get just my face, and I thought we can have this. What's the point of that? But they now get that image, which is better, right? Anyway, enough of that nonsense. Mark sent you a print screen to show earnings. It's not much. Oh, hey, listen, mate. Don't ever apologize for not being much. I will make trades and make $1. Listen, I've got lots of little revenue streams with YouTube, my podcast, TikTok, blah, blah, blah. You know, $1 here, $1 there. It all adds up. How I paid my mortgage off and bought my house in England was 4 years on cruise ships earning dollar by dollar tips, saving it all up and paying me house off. Mate, don't ever be embarrassed or ashamed or it's only a couple of dollars. Hey, mate, if you've got a way to earn a couple of dollars and you add that to the other couple of dollars, you've now got $4. And so it goes on. So I will be very, very excited to learn how you do that. And you can bet your backside that if I can do it, I will set it up and do it. Damn right. I didn't know about that. And that's the point of this network and this family and this community. We all learn constantly from each other. And as we learn, it gets better and better, right? It's what it's all about. It's what it's all about. So, yeah. I'm totally up for that. No issue with that at all. Okay. Apple is just dropping back slightly now today. It's been up, still up though. Ethereum is holding up. Bitcoin's holding up. But Rivian could be a trade, and so could SPCE. If SPCE, often in the after hours, on days like this, if you've noticed, starting to notice patterns, you will notice that tends to be the case, not always, but a day like this, on some good news for Virgin, there could be a little bit of an uptake in the after hours, just a little bit. That's true. Damn right, it's true, mate. I've always believed in taking care of the pennies, the pounds take care of themselves. I've always believed that. I live by that always, and never underestimate the penny or the dollar. Always. Right, overall the portfolio is up now 2.2%. Look, we were right down here a few days ago, and we're making it back. I want to get back up to 58 again. I did like it up there. It was nice. And I want to get back up there again. But it's nice seeing it green again. I tell you that for nothing. But we've got a long way to go yet. But it won't take long. It could happen in minutes, to be honest. Yeah, much better week. Look, up 2% this week. So much better. And up 1% today. So coming up in 20 minutes, of course, we've got our day trader of the day. Alicia, if you want an Italian dish, you could try lasagna or spaghetti. Ello scoglio with fish or tagliatelle, tartuffe with truffle, or rice with Barolo wine and mushrooms. Hey, that sounds good, doesn't it? That sounds good. Are we all getting hungry now? Alicia's making us all feel very, very hungry with her comments. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Love it. Sounds good. Thank you very much, Alicia. I wonder if I can just... Yeah, I thought so. I'm going to slightly adjust these font sizes. They're slightly too big. Let me take it down a bit. 49. 46. Let me do that. And then let's change it to Arial. I think that's better. I don't know what happened to the... that's better. I don't know what happened to the... that's better. That text was getting ridiculously big, wasn't it? It's much better now. There we go. All right. Thank you very much to you. Everyone is 5 minutes from us. Yeah, we're only 5 minutes away. If we're down the road from your house, bloody 5 minutes, Tom. I've noticed he hasn't come back in today. 5 minutes. That was funny though. That was funny yesterday. 5 minutes, Tom. This is interesting. I want to share this with you. Here we've got California DMV is reviewing approach to regulating Tesla's public self-driving test. California is reevaluating Tesla's self-driving test program to determine if the electric car makers' software should fall under its motor vehicle department's autonomous vehicle regulations, the Los Angeles Times reported on Tuesday. The FSD is an advanced driver assistance system that handles some driving tasks, but Tesla says it does not make vehicles completely autonomous. The features require a fully attentive driver, according to the company. This is it. People are getting excited saying the cars drive themselves, but Tesla have said over and over again. I bet Elon Musk is sick of saying it. He said it so many times, saying that these are not fully autonomous cars. Not yet. That's coming, but that's not where we are today. Anyway, that being said, here we are with Tesla, just dropping back slightly. I'm not going to sell it though. I'm not going to sell it. We're going to leave that right where it is for the minute. Rivian is popping up again. Yes. Oh, here's George Osborne. Hi, it's George from the Isle of Man. Did you see Rio Tinto shares? Rio Tinto shares. I didn't. Shall I have a look? Yes, always Martin. Only 5-10 minutes aren't allowed. There you go. George Osborne at Rio Tinto. Let's have a look at this. George Osborne is a friend of the family now because he's been here a couple of times. He's no longer a guest. He's a friend of the family. He's not an invested member. He hasn't joined yet. I don't even know if he subscribed to the channel. Have you subscribed to the channel, George? Oh, have you subscribed? Here's an invitation to join and become a member and get all the perks and benefits. Anyway, there you go. There he is. If you've not subscribed, there's subscribe, ring the bell, and smash the like button. There we go, George. Right, Rio Tinto. Oh, hang on. We got some breaking news. Look at the stocks rising. Something's pumping up. I said to you, Virgin Galactic could do it in the after hours. Let's have a look. What is it? It's not Virgin Galactic. It isn't. What is it? What's lifting up that quick? Is it Bitcoin? No. What has just done that? Something just popped up there. It might be a collection of all things though. Everything's up a little bit. Yeah, Rivian's going up again. Yeah, it's probably a little bit of all sorts today. What about Apple? Yeah, there it is. It's Apple. It's Apple. Look, there's Apple. Apple's pumping. Look, see it moving? That's good to see. Up 7%. I'm very new to this. Hey, George, being new is exactly where I was 6 months ago. 6 months ago, I started my portfolio with $5,500. That's all I had. And I've grown to 58,000. We're now back at 47. Look at this. Apple's taking off. Apple's pumping up, coming up into the after hours. Look at that. Whoa. See it moving now. All of a sudden. Very, very quickly. Let's have a look at some of the charts in a minute. We'll bring those up. I'm very new to this. That's all. That's fine, George. Here's my invitation to join if you want to be a member. And if you do, this is what happens. If you click become a member, boom. Except it will be you, not me. I can't keep joining my own channel. I don't know how I managed to do it. It's like a magic trick. It's amazing what I can do. Anyway. Rio Tinto you asked to look at. We'll have a look at that for you. Rio Tinto. There we go. Rio Tinto, this is for the benefit of George, who says he's very new to this. We're here live every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. 2% today. Rio Tinto engages in the exploration, mining. Thanks, I'll join in a bit. Well, that's very nice of you, mate. Thank you very much indeed. We appreciate that. If you are a YouTuber and you wish to promote your channel, if you're silver, I promote you. And if you choose the option of one-on-one Zoom calls, I'll help you grow your channel and your online business. If you need help with that, or building a studio, or any tech advice, I can do that for you. On Friday, all members will be in a draw for the raffle for the cash prize. That's another thing that we do for all the members. Let me bring up the raffle. You'll see it. This is what we're doing on Friday. These are all the members. Let's bring up our gold members right now. Here we go. Here's our gold members. There we go on the screen now. Rio Tinto. Right, here it is. Here is here is the raffle we're doing on Friday to win that cash prize. We do it every Friday now. Everybody said we want it every Friday. There we go. See this? These are all the members, and what we do is we do a little draw. We go like this. Shall we do one now to see? Let's see who would win. Let's see who would win the $1 million prize. Are you ready? Here we go. And the winner is, imagine it was Friday, Moozanella. There we go. Everybody gets the same chance. That's on Friday. That's the big cash giveaway on Friday. Good stuff. Awesome. Right. Talons Metals, Elon Musk, new contact. That's why I was looking at a few days ago. Oh, yes, 10 minutes is too far. Rio Tinto. So let's go back over to it again. There we go. Here we go. Here's Rio Tinto. Yep. Let's have a look. When did it start? It started... well, it's been going a while now. Since founded 1962. All right. And we've started to see an uptake. Yeah, it's had a nice steady growth, isn't it? And we're starting to see it take off here. You're right. Nice one. I'm not currently in it right now, but I like what you're seeing. It's up 2% today. Very, very nice indeed. Okay. On the live position now, we've got 10 minutes to go. We had a little pop there for a few moments. It's just dropped back a bit again. And I think we might get an after hours pop on Virgin Galactic. Rivian right now is moved up 83.92. I've made a decent profit on that today, $3 a share, and I bought I've made $30. If I sell it now, I get my $30 out plus my 860. So nearly $1,000 I would have in my buying power for the morning if it drops back. I'm not going to do it just yet. I'm gonna leave it just for now. I'm okay with it where it is. All my friends over there and followers on TikTok, welcome to the show. I'm still here, just lurking. Mark Corn is lurking. George Osborne, I wonder if you could do me a favour. Mark Corn is one of our members. He became a silver member. In fact, if we change the screen, you'll see him. He upgraded to silver. So let's bring him up. I wonder if you could do me a favour. This would be a lovely, lovely gesture if you would. It won't cost you anything at all. It's completely free. All our members, we promote them on YouTube. And Mark has his YouTube channel. Look, he's already said yes. What a good man. Mark has his YouTube channel now on the homepage of The Day Trader because he's a silver member, right? So we're helping him get to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to give you the link right now. Here it is in the chat. And would you subscribe to his channel for him? We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers for him within 7 days. And I'd be very much appreciative. And Mark Corn would be even more appreciative because it's his channel. I'm not going to earn any money when he gets 1,000 subscribers, but I'll be happy for him. So there you go. If you wouldn't mind, be a nice gesture and you'd be helping Mark Corn out. All right, there we go. Right. On the hour, we're just down slightly. On the day, we are up 1.32. In a few minutes' time, of course, we're doing the Day Trader of the Day. I can't believe how quiet it is. This is without doubt the quietest show we've ever had. And I can't actually believe it. It's the quietest show we've ever had. I wonder why. I wonder what's magical about today. I will give you that later. that $10, that £10 later, Martin. Cough, cough. All you've got to do is be here, watch the show, and continue being a member. That's all you've got to do. Nothing else. You haven't got to give me any money. All right, Rivian is popping up again. SPCE. Trading sideways now. I'm not going to sell it. I know I've made some money on it. 12.40. Yeah, I've made 20 cents. I've made 12 20 bucks. Yeah, I've made 20 bucks if I sell it now, but I'm not going to. I think it could just go a little bit more. And if it drops back down, it drops back down. It's not a problem. It's not a problem at all. We're waiting to buy back into Lucid. And what I'll probably do is if Bitcoin... Oh, Bitcoin's popping again. I might take some money off the table now because I've got 15.25% of Bitcoin. So I could sell a little bit of Bitcoin right now. Let's have a look. Did George Osborne subscribe to your channel? Let's go and have a look. You were at 969. Let's have a look. Let's refresh it. Did you get to 970? I don't know if he did it. Let's have a look. Did he do it? Not yet, he didn't. He will in a minute. He will in a minute. He will. Right, we're rising 47,000 again. That's better. I want to see it at 50. That's where I want to get it to. Tesla, yeah. Rivian, holding it there. Boeing, Apple, Ethereum and Bitcoin are moving, look. 2.5%, nearly 3% today for Bitcoin. Oh, look at that. It's moving quickly now. Let's go on the live and we'll see it. There we go. Look at that. Up 0.5% in the last hour. Most of that in the last few minutes. I will enter day trader of the day. Ciao, Alicia. There we go. Look at that. We're getting some Italian on the show. Very, very nice. Over on TikTok, if you tap the screen, let me know you're here. I will call your name out and promote you on the show. And if you come to YouTube, just click the profile. Live on YouTube, links in the profile. Come and join us. And you can be in on the cash prize on Friday. All right, we're up now. We're just shy of 47,000. Come on. Let's get up to 47 and hold it up there. That's where we want to be, innit? The link does not work on my phone at the moment. Really? Why is that then? Hang on a minute. The link, what, to become a member or to subscribe to Mark Corn's YouTube channel? If you want to be a member, that link you need to use, you can use it on your phone, but you need to open your mobile browser on your phone. It doesn't work in the app. If you want to become a member, you've got to use the browser on your phone or an iPad or a computer, but you have to use a browser. Okay, so use Google or whatever you've got on your phone. You can do that, but yeah, you need the browser. Just use the desktop version on your phone, and it'll work. And if it's Mark Corn's YouTube channel you're trying to subscribe to, ask me, and I'll give you the link again. Right, Rivian is now 86.68. Right, 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go now for the bell goes. Where is everybody? Isn't it weird? Isn't it weird having a quiet show? Don't you think it's weird? Strange, isn't it? It's a bit odd. It's a bit like, what's going on? Subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And gives a thumbs up. Mr. Love will say thank you very much indeed. We love it. Ciao, George. Love it. We're watching Bitcoin now, or just dropping back. This is what I mean. It's had a good pump today. It could fall back down again. So trim off the top is never a bad thing. I'm not going to though. Not just yet. Not just yet. It's done very well today. Up nearly 3%, and I'll see how that goes. I'll see how I feel. But I wouldn't mind getting some more money for the morning. That's kind of the way it will work. Okay, 3 minutes to go. And I've said, I think in the after hours, I might be wrong, but I think Virgin Galactic could just have a bit of a movement in the after hours tonight. We had Virgin Orbit today. I didn't get any of the news about it. I think Bitcoin is going to pop again. Bitcoin is absolutely going to pop in the next few days, few weeks, because we've got Argentina and Brazil looking now to take it as a legal tender. And once that happens, I know El Salvador did it, and we had an almighty down play after that because A lot of people didn't understand what they purchased, and we actually had some people fear and sell out, and it was created by the whales. They dropped some fear into the market, and many people sold out. But they're a very, very, very small country. It'll be very different, of course, when we get to Argentina and Brazil on board, because then you'll get other countries. It'll snowball after that. Crocodile Rockers and the amazing, talented and generous man, Martyn Lucas. Hello, mate. How are you? Here he is, Sam Hughes. Look at him, all suited and booted. He's suited and booted in his outfit, his Elton John outfit. Love it. Fantastic. He's all ready to rock and roll, isn't he? Always ready to rock and roll is Sam. Spot on. So, Mark Corn became a silver member today, and we are going to get him to 1,000 subscribers within 7 days. He's now at 969. He started at 963 this morning, so we've gained him 6 subscribers in a day. He's very close now to 1,000. And then he'll start earning money, and that will more than pay for his membership. That's the idea. Okay. Sam, I finished the dinner. Right, here we go. Let's count down now. We are into the last few moments. I've said, I think, Virgin and Bitcoin. Bitcoin doesn't remember. Remember, Bitcoin has not knowledge of the market. It doesn't know anything about that at all. The bell's about to go. The timer is slightly out, so I will actually end it slightly sooner. Yeah, I was 10 seconds behind. I'm always feeling great because I get to see you every day. Well, there you go. What can I say about that? What can I say about that? Over there on TikTok, lovely to have you here. Are you ready then? Here we go. Few seconds to go. We're about to ring the bell. Okay, the bell's gone. Just a couple of seconds out of sync. There we go. I'll end the timer early because we were just a couple of seconds out. There we go. Right. Tesla's just moving up slightly in the after hours. Paddy, yep, finished the dinner. All right, let's go and check all the stocks. Where are we going? Rivian is going sideways. Virgin Galactic sideways at the moment. GGPI is just moving down slightly. Lucid just down slightly. Hood marginally up. Peloton is sideways. PayPal sideways. Immersion just slightly up in the after hours. Sideways on. Rolls-Royce going sideways, predictable. Boeing just slightly down. Apple is slightly up. It's showing there it's down, but actually that's definitely going up. You can see that. But there you go. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Remember, they don't care about the hours. They don't care about that. But they are now moving up. Doge, Nitrogen, Bitcoin hits lows, then hits all-time highs. All-time highs? These aren't the all-time highs. What are you on about? The all-time highs, I think they were 68, weren't they? I sold a lot of Bitcoin at 60 and then bought back around about 39, 40. So what do you mean, Doge? Bitcoin hits lows, then hits all-time highs. I'm not sure what you mean by that. George says, I'm on every night, so we'll open YouTube on browser tomorrow. Sorry, Mark. Oh, no, to subscribe, I thought you were trying to become a member. To subscribe to Mark's YouTube channel, you don't need a browser. You can do that on your phone. Dead easy. No, it's at its lows and will hit all-time highs. Oh, I see. I've got you. Yes, it will. Totally agree with you. 100%. And I'm literally putting my money where my mouth is. There is my money. There is my life savings. 15.5% of my portfolio sat there in Bitcoin. So I'm right with you. And Mark says, that's okay, George. I don't mind. As long as you do it. We want to get into 1,000 subscribers. So we need everyone. I own 2 Bitcoin. Wow, you own 2 Bitcoin? Wow, that's incredible. 2 complete Bitcoins. That's amazing. I don't. I own, how much do I own of it? I own, where does it say? I own 0.16 of a Bitcoin. There you go. Do you actually own 2 Bitcoins? Because if you do, you've got currently $90,000 worth of Bitcoin. Over $90,000. I got in at 37,000. Wow, and you have 2. And you have two coins. Awesome. So you have $92,000 worth of Bitcoin. Wow. I love it. Congratulations. That's awesome. $92,000 in Bitcoin. That is brilliant. Well, you're going to make a lot of money then. You're going to make a lot of money. You're going to become a millionaire on those 2. No question. Yeah, it's kind of like part of my retirement. It will be, Dodge. Congratulations to you. You will be a millionaire. I'm absolutely confident of that. You'll be a millionaire because Bitcoin will be $1 million coin in years to come, 5-10 years time, and you own 2. So even when it reaches $500,000, you'll be a millionaire. Nice one, mate. Congratulations. That's really, really great. Congratulations. Love it. Really, really good. Got in at 30. I won't sell. Well, always take I don't know. I mean, always buy and sell though. I believe in it and I've traded it lots of times. Because you keep getting, you buy here, you sell there, you buy back here, you sell there. I mean, I'm doing it all the time. You make more money trading than just holding it. Holding it is like joining a fan club, never doing anything else. It works, but you can make more money. We've actually demonstrated it on the show. When Rivian IPO'd, we actually demonstrated it. We showed people that holding the stock didn't make as much money as buying it, as trading it, and that's we proved that on the show. Welcome to new members. Thank you very much, Queen. We've not got any new members today. I couldn't convince Sam, I couldn't convince Dodge, and I couldn't convince George, and I couldn't convince Julius Caesar. Got 4 people watching right now, and I couldn't get any of them to become a member today. We've had a member nearly every day, apart from today. So, yeah, there we go. There's the invitation to join. You've still got, like, about 15 minutes. Let's see if we can get someone to join today. And then, of course, you get all those benefits, all right? I agree, Sam, unless the split happens. I don't think Tesla will ever go down. Always popular and a great company. I agree, Sam, unless... Hey, a Dodge, if the split happens, which it will, the stock price will go up. The stock price will go up. Because if, let's say the stock was $100. And let's say Elon Musk says, I'm doing 10 for 1. Or 1 for 10, whichever way around. Oh yes, I forgot. I got the upgrade. You're absolutely right, Mark Korn. Apart from an upgrade, damn right. I forgot about that one. Yeah, you're right. I do apologise. Yeah, let's say, and this will happen. 100% will happen, right? And the reason why it happens is it allows people to buy contracts that can't afford 100 shares right now of Tesla. What they'll do, they'll probably go 10 to 1. So if you own 1 share of Tesla, and let's say it's worth $1,000, you will now have 10 shares worth 100. So it'll be your shares will be worth exactly the same, but you'll have 10 worth 100 each. And when that happens, the stock price always goes up. Always goes up, and it'll go up because people feel that it's cheaper. It's not cheaper. You just have 10 for 1. But people will buy in, and also people will buy contracts, which means the stock price will go up. So when they split, which they will, and it can happen at any time now, anytime, I think it's going to happen in the very early part of this year, the stock price will go up. So it won't go down, it'll go up. Lisa says, I know, Sam, I love everything about UK food. Dodge says, I'm broke. How are you broke? You own 2 Bitcoin. So what I would be doing is taking some money off the top, buy the dips, and then reinvest it and buy it again. That's what I'd be doing. So you don't need to be locked in with your money. You can sell some off the top, take some profits, always take profits along the way. Because what if it fell down tomorrow to 20,000 and you didn't take any profits off the top? Always take profits off the top. Then buy back the dip and do it again. You make a lot more money doing that. I will do once I've got some money in my pocket. I've only got £3 to my name because I'm not back at work yet. £3? Bloody hell, Sam, how are you living? I own Tesla contracts right now. Oh, I see. Nice one. Well, are you not in a position? Are you not in a position to sell any of those? Because you can sell contracts, can't you? Are you not in a good position to sell any of those? Anyway, who's watching me over on TikTok right now? I can see I've got some people watching me on TikTok. Tap the screen and then let me know you're here. And if you do that, I will call out your name and invite you to YouTube where I give away cash and free stocks and everything else. Yeah, I'm not really Elton John. Yeah. Are you not really Elton John? I thought you was. Darn it, I thought you were the real Elton John. I can't believe it. I'm so confused. I thought you were the real Elton John. Yeah, still waiting to sell my contracts. What's your strike price? What are you looking to do? What's your position with your Tesla? My money has all gone on bills and rent. Oh, flipping heck. That's no good. Right, Rivian is slightly down in the after hours. Sorry, not Rivian, I beg your pardon. Tesla, very slightly. Very slightly Rivian is down. GGPI looking great. Yep, GGPI, there it is. Gores Guggenheim. Did anyone watch Elton John's film on Netflix? Fantastic film. Did you mean Rocket Man? Yeah, I've only watched it about 50 times. Virgin Galactic is just going sideways. It has no reaction yet. No reaction just yet. So 1237. That's the one. Yeah. That's the one. I like that. If I get a super chat, Mark, I'll go to the piano live in the show and I'll sing the first line of... I'll go to my piano, all right, and I'll sing the first line of Rocket Man in the voice of Sir Elton John at my piano. But I need a super chat to do that. All right? And I'll do that. Let me have a look. This is how you do a super chat. You ready? Boing! There's a super chat. I just donated $1 to myself. If you... I really enjoyed it. Certainly eye-opening, indeed. $1130. Okay. That's your strike price. 1130. Where are we now? 11. Oh, I see. You'll be there soon. Soon as they split the stock, you will. It will shoot up. Target price now is 1500, isn't it? So it's got some growth, and we are still in the very early days, of course, with Tesla as well. There's a long way to go, a lot more opportunity. Mark, of course, me and Alicia at the cinema, and I bought the DVD music. Oh! Mark Korn gave me a super chat. All right, let's wait for his name to come on the screen. You ready? Here it comes. It'll come any second now. Takes about 10 seconds. You ready? When's it going to come up? Where's the super chat? I want to see it come up. Sheesh. It normally takes about 10 seconds. Come on. Is Rocket Man better than Bohemian? That's an idea for a poll. It is indeed. There it is. There it is. Mark Korn's now on the screen. Caden Youngquist. Right, we've got a request. we've got a request for me to do the first line of Rocket Man with the voice of Sir Elton John. So let me pump out some smoke, get some smoke ready. This is a member privilege, and he's given me a tip, so we're going to do it for him. I'm just getting the smoke going. Let me just pump some smoke out. There we go. Let me get rid of the overlay. There we go. There we go. So we'll give it a few seconds. We'll get some haze and smoke. I'll give you the first line of Rocket Man. I can't do any more than that because I get done for copyright. I'm not like you, mate, making money on your music channel. I always get penalised. I guess it's slightly different on my monetized channel. Right, Caden Youngquist. Caden Youngquist, I got a big shout out for you because you did me a great favour today. This is the power of the 24-hour show when we're off air. This is the power of it. Caden Youngquist was in. I keep it running all the time because I'm waiting for people to drop in conversation, breaking news and stuff like that. And you can use the information. And this is what happened. Caden Youngquist came in and he noticed that Rivian had a $150 price target, I think it was. And he announced it to me when the price was here. Around about 10:30, something like that, 11 o'clock. Around about here. And he announced it into the group. And I went, okay, Caden, that's great news. So I bought 10 shares of Rivian because he said that. And the moment the announcement came out, he posted it. I was watching the live show, and it's been rising ever since. So thank you to Caden Youngquist. My 10 shares have made me about $40 so far. So thank you very much indeed, Caden. And that's the beauty of the 24-hour stream. Appreciate that very much. So you did a great job there, Caden. And the moment you dropped that in there, I bought 10 shares, and I'm up. Absolutely brilliant. I was watching it. I keep the 24-hour stream running, and I used your information. I didn't know about it, so it gave me the information I needed, and boom, I was all over it like a car bonnet, and I was able to make a profit on it. So Caden Youngquist, you've earned me $40 today. Thank you very much indeed. And you never know. Who knows? It might even be more. All right. Okay. We're now going to go over to the piano because we got a request from Mark Korn for me to do Rocket Man. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to get ready now. Just 15 seconds because of copyright. I can't do any more than that. But in the voice of Sir Elton John. There we go. There's all my haze. Look, I've got a bit of haze and smoke and all the rest of it. All right. So let's go and do it now. You ready? All right. We've got 15 seconds. I'm going to add a bit more light. Let me bring a bit more light in. So there we go. So thank you ever so much indeed to Caden Youngquist for bringing us that breaking news today. And we could have all made money. I made money on it. It was a great suggestion. So thank you very much, Caden, for that. All right, let's go over to the piano. This is especially for Mark Korn. All right, here we go. All right. This is especially for Caden. This is especially for Mark Korn, who gave us a great request. He wanted to hear Rocket Man. So because of copyright on my channel, I can only do a tiny bit before I get penalized. So here we go. All right. packing bags last night, pre-flight. 0 hour, 9 a.m. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me around again to find alright. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me around again to find. I'm changing it slightly, of course, to avoid copyright and only doing a tiny little piece. There we go. That was especially there for Mark Korn. If you want to hear more, go over to my music channel. Cool, cool, cool. Right, let's get back to the trading screen. Crypto-Cam is here. Crypto-Cam is here. Let's go back to the trading screens. Here we go. All right, we're back in the hot seat again. Once again, let me just take the lights down because we're blurring out the show. There we go. Take that down. Nice one. That was especially for Mark Korn. Thank you very much for the tip, my friend. Appreciate that very much indeed. Thank you for that. And let's get back into the trading screens right now. There we go. All right. Caden Youngquist said, "Sweet. You're very, very welcome. You're very, very welcome." I'll tell you what we're going to do. We don't normally do this, but we're going to bring up. Let's see what happens if I do this. I want to do a little test on the light in a minute. That's what happens if I do this. There we go. Just wanted to try that. What does that do? Oh, that blurs it out, doesn't it? That's a bit better. Okay. All right. Bloody hell. My phone's stuck. What's going on with my phone? Come on, Apple, what's doing? Oh, bloody hell. My phone's got clogged up now. Every day, it seems, at the moment, I'm getting all these technical problems. Oh, well, don't worry about it. I don't need my phone now anyway. Just as well. All right, so there you go. I hope you like that. What did we get? I wish I could play the piano like that. You all have to say, you have to see my show, Alicia and Patty. Yes, we do. Crypto-Cam is here. Mark Korn. Elton John started playing the piano when he was age 3. Yes, he did. I've always happy to share my music. Nice one. Good stuff. Only instrument I can play right now is the guitar. I tried learning piano and I can't seem to get my head around it. Right, we are just about coming to the end of the show. We're just going to check a couple of stocks right now before we finish up. Oh, there we go. My phone has decided to come back to life again. Thanks for that. Don't know what that was all about. Bit bizarre. Anyway, there we go. Sometimes you get issues and you think, I don't have a clue what's going on. I've had this last week, and I've been on the phone with YouTube and all sorts of people, and like all these bizarre things that have been going on, and like no idea how to fix it. Anyway, did you see in the film the part where he said where Elton John got the John part from? Elton John. I'm trying to remember now. I'm not 100% certain. I can't remember. It could be anything causing the problem. It could be it could be anything. At least we've not had the buffering today. Everything has been sweet with the buffering, so that's good. Tesla's now slightly up in the after hours. Rivian just holding, just down very slightly, but not very much. And Virgin Galactic is trading sideways. Gauze Guggenheim just dropping back sideways. Just dropping down a little bit, sorry, I beg your pardon. Bitcoin is still rising. 44,000 now. Up nearly 3% today. Yeah, it could be, like you say, it could be 1,000 things. I've gone through so many things, and it's been very difficult to work out what exactly is going on. But nevertheless, it is what it is. Bitcoin is still rising. This has been a very good day for Bitcoin. This is a very good line here. Very strong day. A very strong day for Bitcoin, that is. That's a really, really good, strong day. And if we look out over the week, look, that's a really good run there. We are going to get a breakout soon. Everyone knows it. Oh, look at that in the last few seconds. Pumping again. Oh, there we go. I've ended up today. Right, let's see who our day trader of the day is as Bitcoin takes off. Look at that. Okay, let's go to your main position and let's see who the day trader of the day is. Are you ready? Let's see. So go to your day position. I'm 46,940. I am up 1.18. So here we go. Up 1.18%. Okay, don't enter it just yet until I give everybody the the timer. Get ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait a second. The John Martyn Elton name is from Long John Baldry, not John Lennon. Ah, okay. Thank you very much for that information. All right, if you've just tuned in and you want to be a member of the channel and get all the benefits and stuff like that, all the perks, and of course we've got the cash prize on Friday, there is the invitation to join. I hope you'll consider that. All right. Okay, let's go into the next phase, which is the 1 minute timer. Post your scores on the doors. Let's see who the day trader of the day is. Here we go. 1 minute from now. All right, there we go. I'm up 10%. Wow. Wow, you guys are doing great. Okay, here we go. Great scores. Great scores. You guys are smashing it today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Absolutely great, guys. I've got that's 2 winning scores there. In second place, we have Queen Herself Braiding with 10.06. That would be a winning score on many, many days. Many, many days, that would be a winning score. Murray McKines, 50,000 Murray. Murray 50,000's in the house, everybody. Murray 50,000's here. But the winner today is 12.42. Come on, guys. It's a catchphrase. It's one of the catchphrases. Bring it up. Murray McKines in the house. 50,000 Murray. Okay, let's give the winning prize. Definitely the winning prize goes to Mark Corn today. That's a great score. Queen Herself Braiding probably thought, I'm going to win at that score, and you would do on many days. So first of all, thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And of course, there he is. Big round of applause. Nice one. 50,000 Murray. Absolutely awesome. Mark Corn's playing along. Holla, Murray McKines. Murray McKines is one of our members, and let me bring him up. I think he upgraded, didn't he? Let me have a look. Is he a silver member now? Let's have a look. He's from Scotland, I know that. I'm not sure. We'll see it in a second. So, let's bring his catchphrase in. It's 50. Well, hang on a minute. Here he is. $50,000 Murray. There he is. No, it's Mark Corn who's silver. I beg your pardon. So let me change it to bronze. And I think Murray's in this list here. All right, 50,000 Murray. $50,000 Murray. Congratulations to you, Mark. Yeah, it's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Sam, I ain't that rich. I've started this portfolio from scratch. I am too. I started my portfolio from $5,500 and it's grown all the way to 58, back at 46, 47 now. Last month or so has been bloody awful, but things are starting to recover again now, as we expected them to do so. And we'll get there. There you go. 50,000 Murray. I think he's going to... There he is. Murray McKines on the screen now with his very proud Scottish flag. The St Andrews. Absolutely great. The patron saint of Scotland, St Andrew, of course. That is the blue and white cross there. I mean, from Monday, I sold off before the drops. Oh, good for you. Good for you. That's the way to play it. And then buy back the dips. That's the way to do it. If you can time that, it's very, very good. Tesla is up 0.12. Rivian is down 0.37. SPCE is trading flat now. Right. We're just about coming to the end of the show. Mark Corn, you're always rich because you have a lot of love and support by being here with us. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Absolutely. You've had like 10 YouTube subscribers in a day. That's your best ever day. I get between 10 and 15 a day, so I know that's a really good day. Really, really good day. Okay, it's time very, very quickly, just quickly. We're just about coming to the end of the show. We're going to do the quick roundup. So we got to pay the bill. Here's a little quick ad. You can skip the ad. Here it comes. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. All right, it's time to round up today. There's no 24/7 tonight. There's no 24/7 tonight. I'm resetting some of those computers, so there's no 24/7 tonight. But it will start in the morning. Back again before the main show in the morning. So I'll see you back at 7:30 in the morning, East Central Time, which is 7:30 Eastern Time, which is around midday in the UK, and then of course the opening bell in the morning. And it'll be very, very interesting morning in the morning. Will I sell some Bitcoin tonight? It's possible. It's possible I might sell some Bitcoin and have it on hand for the morning. Always trading. All right. Mark Corn, you're too kind, Sam. Thank you very much indeed. Right, that's it from me. I look forward to seeing you all back in the morning. I look forward to seeing you. It's been another great day here on The Day Trader. We've had a lot of fun. Thank you ever so much for being here. And I'll see you all back in the morning. Thank you ever so much. I want you to all take care of yourselves and each other.